Okay guys, so another new product, here we go again. The famous alcohol wipes are coming out. So what we've got today for you is a start stop button. So as you can see here, the genuine carbon fibre, maybe you can see in that light, but they are genuine carbon with a start stop on, obviously moulded, and the sticky on the back as normal. Also we have them available in red. As you can, this carbon actually shows up a little bit better on that one on the video. So as you can see, they're all nice and glossy and nicely finished. So we'll get on to cleaning it. So as always, I mean, this is probably going to be the worst thing. I mean, when we first got the car, you could see it in the actual things there. So I'm going to go over that with an alcohol wipe first. So as always, try and clean as much as you can. It's much nicer doing a video sat in a nice warm car as well, rather than outside. So obviously once you'll feel, because it's quite a big one for such a small area, it's quite wet, so once you've finished, just let that dry off before we go any further. So we're going to fit the black one. I think that'll look nice in here. So basically, and this is like telling people how to suck eggs. So we'll get that, obviously. So again, as I always say, try not to touch the glue at all, and always recommend with this 3M tape to warm it up, because it does help the adhesion a lot better. So we'll just take that off. It's really thin on this one as well, so obviously you don't want it to, you know, protrude up off the bottom and make it look bulky. So it's just a case of, again, fiddling without the sides. And I'm sorry if I'm blocking your view, but so basically we're going to get that. So obviously what you don't want it to do is stick out like that. So our advice, looking, you can have a try before ungluing it, you'll see how it fits. But basically I've got my fingers under that and I've got it right pushed up as far as it'll go, and then it's just a case of laying it over the top like that. And then as always, just give it a nice firm press down. So that's it basically. So you can see there, I mean, we didn't like the red on the interior anyway. Now we've changed the exterior, so it was something that we was looking to get rid of. So obviously that's filled that problem. Also you can see there, it's a nice look, and obviously we'll just demonstrate. So when you turn the car off, you've still got obviously all the red showing through, lights it up nicely, and then obviously goes off as it is. So that's it guys, nice short video just to show you that. It shows you a bit of the quality of the carbon as well. We'll try and get the light on here. So I don't know whether it's going to show up perfectly, but on a photo it obviously doesn't show how 3D they are, if that makes sense. So they have got quite a bit of depth to them. The start stop's really neat. All the edges have been polished obviously, so you can see there it's a nice little bit of kit. Cheers guys, if you're interested in buying one of these, obviously our website www.kilochrome.co.uk. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to call us and ask away. We'd rather get you sorted beforehand rather than posting out and realising it's something that you didn't want. So if you've got any questions on any of the products, give us a call. Cheers guys.